Abuja, a city of dreams, wealth, and innovation. Abuja's housing costs continue to rise. For many, upfront rent demands exceed their annual income.
The hottest new trend in open plan living is here. Welcome to the Underbridge Estates. There's zero service charge and 100% natural ventilation. Unlike Abuja landlords asking for 2 years rent upfront plus caution fee, here you just pay a daily fee, bring your mattress and strong mosquito nets. But jokes aside, let's find out why so many people are sleeping under the bridge. What happened was, I was living in a single room in Kubwa. The house rent was 200,000 a year. The landlord said I should renew for 2 years. I couldn't afford it, so I had to move out.
This is just one story. The Abuja housing crisis runs deep, and the reality is harsher than you think. In this series, we'll be uncovering these hidden truths and many more. Stay tuned and hit the follow button so you don't miss the next episode.